Welcome back to my channel. And oh, also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which was, you know, just, you know, the H at the beginning and the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, well, now we will just get on into this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base in nude, and then I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics bronze palette and putting that nude shade in my crease, and then I'm going to be putting the light contour shade from the Lorac Pro contour palette in my crease also, and then in my outer corners the deep contour shade. And then I'm taking the NYX HD concealer in nude beige to cover up my blemishes, and the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape concealer in light sand to highlight underneath my eyes. And then I'm taking this e.l.f. BB cream foundation and just putting that on my face. I honestly thought that this was going to be darker than it was, and it wasn't. So then I just went over it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in golden beige. And then I went back with that contour palette and put the deep contour shade and just use that to really just like darken my complexion up, just to kind of give it that extra bronzy look and make it look like I'm actually darker, like Moana. And then I go over it with the NYC Skin Parfait bronzer to just give it a little bit more oomph. And then I took the Marc Jacobs retractable black liner and just put that on my waterline. And then I'm taking that deep contour shade again and just kind of putting it all over on my nose. And then I took the light sand Shape Tape concealer and kind of put that in the center and just dabbed it with my finger. And then I'm going back with the bronze palette, and I'm actually using this to do my eyebrows. At the time I didn't really realize that that shade was darker than my brows. My brows are pretty much almost black, and I never really get to do anything with them, so I'm just kind of giving it a little bit more boxy and just having fun with this look. And then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I'm putting the darker nude shade on first, and then kind of putting on the lighter nude shade in the center. I'm putting on these Ardell wispy lashes and setting it with the K all-nighter setting spray. Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pura Vida bracelet or a SandCloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!